Hello, Standard 10. Your Arun sir going to teach biology, chapter 12, the endocrine system, and it is part 5. Till today, what we have discussed? We have discussed in detail about the adrenal gland, the functions of the adrenal gland, location, and the hormones secreted by the adrenal gland. We discussed in detail about the thyroid gland. We discussed in detail about the pancreas, and at last we discussed about our master gland, and that is the pituitary gland. So that part is clear. Today we have to discuss about the control of hormone secretion. How this is controlled, and that is called as feedback mechanism. Now how it is controlled? These hormones are secreted by the glands. How much it should be secreted, or means the amount, it depends on the functions of our body, and that is feedback mechanism. And commands like saying too much, slow down, these commands like saying is given by the hormone, that now it is too much, now slow down, or too little, speed up. Suppose your heart is beating faster, then it must be controlled, it must be slowed down. And adrenal gland, more amount of adrenal gland is secreted, it must be secreted in a small amount, so that heartbeat can be controlled and can be slowed down. So that is what command is opposite. If it is slower, to speed up, the command is opposite. If it is very fast, the command is to slow down. Means generally this feedback mechanism is negative. Try to understand. Generally this feedback mechanism is negative, and the main aim of this feedback mechanism is to restore the normal state, to restore the normal condition, normal state. Okay. Now, all the feedback mechanism are negative, means just opposite. Only one feedback mechanism is positive, and that may be asked in the examination. We have discussed about the hormone oxytocin, and that hormone oxytocin, uh, where it acts, oxytocin stimulates vigorous contraction of the uterus in a pregnant mother before the childbirth. Means there is contraction and relaxation in the uterus of a pregnant mother, and due to contraction and relaxation, the baby is pushed out. Okay. And oxytocin we have discussed. Here the feedback mechanism is positive. When the contraction and relaxation of the muscles of the uterus is going on, the command not to slow down is given. The command is given to speed up. Means already contraction and relaxation of the muscle is there, and to speed up this, so that the baby can be pushed out from the uterus easily, and that is the positive feedback mechanism. So dear children, we have discussed in detail about the feedback mechanism, and all the hormones and the glands which secrete those hormones we have discussed. Now in your book, the hormones at a glance is given. You must go through, and this chapter is very, very important for your send up examination, and also for the board point of view. So today up to this much. Thank you very much.